My name is Elina Lee, and I am a production apprentice with BBC Horizons, and I split my time with Radio Wales. So I came to Cardiff in 2017. I moved here from Sweden, and I did a music degree at University of South Wales. And since then I've worked in community arts, so I worked with a lot of young musicians and dancers and young people that want to get into theatre, and I worked in coordination and production actually, but I think a few months back I just realised that I wanted to try something new, and I thought about radio, so I applied. Yeah, well, I'm very lucky because in my own time I make music and I love listening to music. So I got to be placed with BBC Horizons, which is all new music in Wales, which is the perfect thing for me because I love music. So I've got to listen to a lot of new cool artists and write track notes. I work quite closely with Bethan, who's presenting, which is really cool, and I get to shadow her, so that's really fun. It's a bit nerve-wracking because I've been working for the last few years, so going back to school is a new challenge, but I'm excited to meet and learn from people that have done it before me, so I think that's very cool. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's really nice that we get to document things as a part of our diploma, because it's so easy to forget what you do, and by the end of our apprenticeship we want to have like a portfolio. This is what I can do, so I can go place myself somewhere else, so I think that's really useful. I really like that. In 5 years, I want to be on my feet, which means going to either, that could be music events or TV events, and continue working in production. I want to work with a really lovely team, and I'm actually not entirely sure of my role in it, but I can see that I'll still be in it, so in 5 years.